watching Chilla's house. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you how I made a wall hanging photo wreath. It is actually made by a hula hoop ring, but I made it with a hose pipe. So how I made it? Let's get started. Things you will need: a hose pipe, a pair of scissors, glue gun, ribbon. I took white color, you can choose of your own, thread, this is optional, tape and photos, and some flowers. I made it with crochet. You can find of your own choices also. To keep these two ends in the place, I will put some thread into the pipe and make a knot. We'll put some hot glue. And secure with some tape. Now I will wrap the pipe with ribbon. And then making vertical grids with another ribbon with the help of glue gun. Now I can attach all photos. I will attach it very aesthetically. And then to decorate the photo frame, I will add all the handmade crochet flowers and leaves to it. Now it's ready. The wall hanging photo frame will look like way too gorgeous, and it's fully handmade. Isn't it very interesting? Let me know in the comment section. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment to it. Also hit the bell icon so you will never miss any upload from me. Bye!